So I started trying to say all the physics
And here we are on Mean Streak here at Cedar
while
Point.
recording, but I quickly realized that wouldn't be the best way, so
At any rate,
I will just do
right
it
now,
via a voiceover. Okay,
is
so
turning into kinetic.
here's the first
Give us a
set.
little boost.
Right now we've got motor
Then
bringing us up, and
we have
that's
underneath
turning electrical energy
motor
into
getting
mechanical
electricity,
energy, which
turning
is
it into
increasing
mechanical
our
energy, bringing us
gravitational
up,
potential energy.
increasing our kinetic energy,
And
potential energy.
what that's going to do for us is allow us to go really fast, because pretty soon this is all the energy we're going to be able to use, and currently increasing our displacement, and from here on out I do my best to hold a straight face. Luke in the background, it's got some pretty funny expressions like that. Once you get to the top, the front starts to get pulled down by gravity, and here we go. This might be a little off because my computer's jumping. So, gravitational potential energy turns into kinetic energy, which increases our velocity. The weight of the cart is about 5 tons, so if you want to, we can estimate the velocity and actually calculate the kinetic energy. At any rate, every time we go up and down in a curve, there is centripetal force. When we are going from down to up, the normal force on our body is increased because we have a greater centripetal force. And anytime we go over a hill, the normal force on our body is decreased. And if that normal force equals the acceleration due to gravity, that's when you feel that sinking stomach feeling. It's like you're floating and your body's not expecting it. There's a couple times here that I almost start laughing, and once I turn the camera forward, all the noises you hear, sound vibrations, the natural frequency of the roller coaster is very distinct compared to anything else. And we never got into it, but the frequencies of all the lights and colors, it's all physics there. Also, orange duck on my necklace. He's loaded with physics every time he wobbles and jostles. At any rate, there's me, almost laughing, but that probably happened 2 minutes ago because of the time difference. And yeah, it says on the computer it's gone 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So this is probably ending real soon. Shoot! Oh yeah. 2 points extra credit to the first person to tell me the average velocity and average displacement at the end of the roller coaster ride. Go! Now, this is the picture that got the entire roller coaster stopped for a couple minutes. And evidently you're not allowed to take cameras on. But that didn't stop me from taking this picture. Or this one. Or that one. For that matter, this one either. And you're really allowed to take pictures of other groups anytime you want to. It's not creepy. Try it out. So here I am on the dragster, and they couldn't stop me from bringing it on again because I pulled it out of my pocket once we were at the light, so it's staying green or yellow for a while, and all of a sudden we are extreme acceleration. Here we go, increasing velocity faster and faster, and all of a sudden centripetal force takes it instead of me skyrocketing with a corkscrew, and then the centripetal force is even less. I don't weigh as much at this portion, and here I'm going back down. Gravity's taken over. There's a little bit of friction, so it's not quite free fall. And all of a sudden there's a greater normal force on my body as I come to a stop, and we're done. But just because I can, I'm going to do that same piece in slow motion, set to some nice relaxing music. Enjoy! told most of my classes about the sheep. The sheep were so funny. I mean, just look at them. Look at that tongue. It sticks out. And they don't even baa. They just scream like, ah! But how can you not love a cloud with legs like that? Anyway, that's about that. And I hope you guys have a good final. Bye.